Hello, thank you for your interest in State of Vermont job opportunities. In this video, we'll show you how to create an account in the State of Vermont online application system and also how to search for job opportunities within that system. All permanent classified State of Vermont job openings are posted in our website at www.careers.vermont.com. On our careers page, you can search for job openings a number of different ways. All job openings that are currently posted are listed under the latest job postings heading. There you can scroll down through all of the current listings to see what we have posted. Another way that you can work with this list is to sort by the heading column, by the column heading. So you can sort by job title, job family, location, or department, if any of those are ways that you know how you want to look for jobs. For example, you could also search here by location, and it will show you in alphabetical order all of the job openings that we currently have in state service. You can also enter keywords to search. Let's just try the keyword legal and click search, and it brings us to another page where every job opening that has the word legal in it is listed. Another way that you can search for job openings is using our advanced search function. In this function, you can search by keywords, locations, job families, and other criteria. And you can have multiples of these criteria to search by. So for example, you could have a keyword entered here, or you could search perhaps for a location such as Burlington. And let's say only classified positions. And let's say also only full-time. So we've chosen criteria, 3 different criteria, Burlington, classified, and full-time, and we click search, and we come to a list that gives us 6 results using those 3 criteria together. We also have the ability to save a job search, but I'm going to wait until we're in another screen to show you how to do that. Right now, I'm in our live environment where you can see all of our current active job openings as of the day I recorded this training. Now I'm going to switch to a test environment where I can show you how to create your account. So creating an account with VTHR is easy. You click register here. And it brings you to a new page where you enter your username, password, and confirm your password. You then have some terms to agree to before you can actually register. So one of the things that's important to do before you start is to know what you want your username and password to be. In this instance, I'm going to create an account using the name of Peter Pan. So I'm going to say that Peter's username is Neverland. And I'll make a password for him as well. So you enter whatever you want your password to be, and then you confirm it, and then you click I agree to these terms after you've read them, of course. So basically what you're agreeing to here is that your personal information that you submit here will be stored within our system, that that information is used for recruitment purposes, that we do consider it to be confidential and we don't intend to disclose it. However, if we're required to produce it by law or for some other reasonable purpose, then we will do so if we have to. So you click I agree and then we register. So I made a mistake when I entered my password, so let me just do that again to make sure that my password and the confirmation are the same. Anytime this spinning wheel is going, the system is processing and you can't do anything else until the system is done processing. So now I have my account. So I've come to my careers home and it says welcome, but it's not saying welcome Peter because I haven't completed my profile. So before we continue, I'm going to complete a user profile. And I can set here a preferred method of contact. So I can say I prefer to be contacted by email. I can set a lot of different personal identifying information in here. Not all of it's mandatory. So for example, I don't have to choose a name prefix. That's not mandatory. Anything marked with an asterisk is mandatory. So I'm going to say Peter Pan. And you can see that the address lines are not mandatory. However, that's going to give a complete profile that's going to populate on my application. So I want it to be entered here. So I'm just going to quickly type in my address. And I do have to have an email address in order to complete this registration. You can get a free email account from Google, Yahoo, or Hotmail. Those are all compatible with our system, and they all provide free email accounts if you don't have one already. So my email type that I'm going to use is going to be a business email account that I'm going to use for Peter Pan. Actually, what I'm going to do here, instead of using his name, is I'm going to use our recruitment email address. And I'm going to save. So now I've completed a profile. The other thing that this does for me by having a password and a profile is that I can now create a saved job search. So I can go back to that advanced search function that I told you about earlier. And I'll choose just a location at this time. So I'm going to choose Berlin as the location where I want to be notified if job openings come up. So I'm going to search. So I'm just going to choose Berlin as my search criteria. I'm going to click on Save Search. And now I'm going to name my search. So I'm going to just say Berlin only. And I'm going to use this as a job agent. This means that if I check this box, whenever the state of Vermont posts a job opportunity that has the Berlin location, the system's going to email me when those jobs are posted. And now I'm going to say where to send my job search notification to. So that's the email address that I want to use. And you can save obviously more than one of these searches and just name each one by the criteria that you chose for the search. And I can edit it or I can delete it. So if I don't want to get those notifications anymore, I can log back into my VTHR account and click Delete Search. And I keep referring to VTHR. That's the name that we have for this system. It's just what we call it. So I showed you how to create your account and how to search for job openings and actually even create a saved job search in our system. The next tutorial that we have available is to show you how to create your online application. When you're done working in VTHR, you can simply click Log Out here and you're done. Thank you.